Hello friends and welcome to Miss Danielle Reads. Today we'll be reading Rainforest Animals by Jill McDonald. Lace up your boots, put on your backpack. We're going for a walk through the forest. Rainforests are warm, wet places full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals. Here is a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. Croak. What's that sound? It's a red-eyed tree frog. Frogs lay eggs, and tadpoles hatch from them. Tadpoles then become baby frogs. At the tip top now, whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. The other side of its wings is brown, which helps it hide when the wings are closed. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. The end. I hope you guys had an amazing day. And don't forget to click the like button. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys very soon.